Dear friends, this video is meant to explain Unit 8 Information and Communication Technology Part 2. Most of the previous year questions are discussed in this video. Welcome to this great program. To introduce myself, I am Dr. I. Jesudas S.J. from St. Xavier's College of Education, Palayamkottai, Tamil Nadu, a former associate professor and a research supervisor. At the moment, I am the principal of Punitha Valanath College of Education near Tindigal. Dear scholars, it's my wish that those who are viewing this video should get through successfully in the NET exam. With a pleasant note, I begin the slideshow. Welcome, dear friends. This is the latest syllabus according to NET 2020. I already explained the meaning of ICT general abbreviations in part 1. In the third part also, another video, I have discussed on the digital initiatives in higher education and the binary problems which are usually asked in the NET exams. In this second video, I am just focusing on most important NET questions previously asked and which could be asked in the coming years too. Welcome. What is audio conferencing? Audio conferencing is where two or more people in different locations use technology to hold an audio call. What is video conferencing? Video conferencing means to conduct a conference between two or more participants at different sites by using computer networks to transmit audio and video data. What are the different types of video conferencing? Among the most common and major types of video conference systems are telepresence, integrated video conferencing system, desktop video conferencing system, service-based video conferencing system, and codec form. What are the best apps for video conferencing? Zoom. Zoom is one of the most popular video conferencing solutions for businesses. Then Google Hangouts. Google's video conferencing market is part of its Google Hangouts service. Then Google Meet, GoToMeeting, Skype for Business, Cisco WebEx, BlueJeans, Slack. All are the different apps for video conferencing. What equipment is needed for video conferencing? We need the following: displays like laptop, desktop, monitor, television screen, etc. Then microphones and cameras, built-in microphones and webcams, USB microphones and webcams. Then speakers, built-in computer speaker, external speaker, voice over IP conferencing phone. Then internet connection, obviously, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, anything. One of the questions, network media exist in interconnected, naturally technological environments, because we are studying information and communication technology. A business may have to dramatically change their operating strategy as a result of changes in the technological environment. Another question, the combination of computing, telecommunications and media in a digital atmosphere is referred to as convergence. It's a technical term given. Technological convergence is the tendency that as technology changes, different technological systems evolve toward performing similar tasks. An example of technology convergence is smartphones, which combine the functionality of a telephone, a camera, a music player, and a digital personal assistant into one device. A tablet computer is another example of technology convergence. What is a digital convergence? The term digital convergence means the ability to view the same multimedia content from different types of devices. These are all thanks to the digitization of content, movies, pictures, music, voice, text, etc. With the digital media, the quality the quality can only get better. This is because the resolution in digital material can be made at any level. High levels of resolution can be achieved by increased levels of bandwidth. Another question, in the hypermedia database, information bits are stored in the form of nodes. The nodes can contain text, graphics, sound, full motion video, or executable computer programs. Net question 2006. Communications bandwidth that has the highest capacity and is used by microwave, cable, and fiber optics line is known as broadband. It's a definition, that's all. What is broadband communication? Broadband communication is usually considered to be any technology with the transmission rates above the fastest speed available over a telephone line. What is a wireless broadband connection? Wireless broadband is telecommunication technology that provides high-speed wireless internet access or computer networking access over a wide area. What is hyperlink with example? The definition of a hyperlink is a text or an image within a file on your computer that you can click on that gives access to another document or image. Words on a website that are underlined and highlighted in blue and that you can click on in order to open a new web page are an example of a hyperlink. So you could easily observe in the text, from the internet, some blue colored words will be there. If you click on it, a new page will open up. That is hyperlink, hypertext. What is difference between link and hyperlink? A link is simply an address that specifies the location of a resource on the internet, just like an URL, which takes you to the web pages. It's an address. Hyperlinks, on the other hand, are links that you can click on or activate with a pointing device in order to jump to the target page. Net question 2006. An electronic billboard that has a short text or graphical advertising message is referred to as banner. So that's the definition of banner. An electronic billboard for advertising. What is a banner in the website? A web banner or banner ad is a form of advertising on the World Wide Web delivered by an ad server. Banner ads are image-based rather than text-based. The purpose of banner advertising is to promote a brand and to get visitors from the host website to go to the advertiser's website. Another question in 2006. Which of the following is not the characteristics of a computer? Is computer an electrical machine? Computer cannot think at its own. Computer processes information error-free. computer can hold data for any length of time? I think except the first one, other statements are very correct. But then a computer is not an electrical machine but an electronic device because it is made up of electronic components and uses electric energy such as electricity to operate. But it's an electronic device because it is fitted with many electronic components. Which of the following is the appropriate definition of a computer? Of course, many statements are given. One statement will be complete in its definition. Other statements may be partially true. So that way, option B, computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve and process both qualitative and quantitative data quickly and accurately. This is the appropriate definition of a computer. LAN stands for what? Local area network. It's a definition. It's an expansion of LAN, local area network. What is local area network? It is a collection of devices connected together in one physical location, such as a building, office or home, like that. What is metropolitan network? A metropolitan area network, MAN, is a computer network that interconnects users with computer resources in a geographic region of the size of a metropolitan area, as if in a city. Examples of a MAN are part of the telephone company network that can provide a high-speed DSL line to the customer, or the cable TV network in a city. What is WAN? WAN or Wide Area Network is a computer network that extends over a large geographical area, although it might be confined within the bounds of a state or country. Net question in 2006. Which of the following statement is correct? Modem is a software. Modem helps in stabilizing the voltage. Modem is the operating system. Modem converts the analog signal into digital signal and vice versa. The fourth one is the correct explanation for modem or correct meaning of modem. Modem is short for modulator demodulator. It's a short form of modulator demodulator. It is a hardware component that allows a computer or another device such as a router or a switch to connect to the internet. It acts like a bridge. It converts or modulates an analog signal from a telephone or cable wire to digital data, ones and zeros in the circuit that a computer can recognize. Which of the following is the appropriate format of URL of email? Of course, since we are all familiar with the email functioning, the option B should be correct. www@mail.com. See, that is the right way of writing. DPI stands for dots per inch. Dots per inch is a measure of spatial printing, video or image scanner dot density, in particular the number of individual dots that can be placed in a line within the span of 1 inch. That is the definition of dots per inch. Another net question. The process of laying out a document with text, graphics, headlines and photographs is involved in desktop publishing. Desktop publishing is the production of printed matter by means of a printer linked to a desktop computer with a special software. The system enables reports, advertising matter, etc. to be produced cheaply with a layout and print quality similar to that of typeset books. So that is the meaning of desktop publishing. What does 300 TPA mean? TPA stands for dots per inch, which technically means a printer dots per inch. When someone says they want a photo that is 300 TPA, they really mean that they want 300 printer dots per inch. Another net question in 2007, transfer of data from one application to another line is known as dynamic data exchange. What is DDE used for? Windows provides several methods for transferring data between applications. One method is to use the dynamic data exchange protocol. The DDE protocol is a set of messages and guidelines. Another question in 2007, use of radio for higher education is based on the presumption of enriching curriculum based instruction, no doubt about it. It is not for replacing teacher in the long run. It is not for everybody having access to a radio set. It is not for one of the means of instruction getting outdated. No. Enriching curriculum based instruction, that is the right answer. Question in 2007, the right to import and receive information is guaranteed in the Constitution of India by Article 19(1)(a). Just it is the rule given. The Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution says like this: the fundamental right to speech and expression can never be exercised until and unless the information regarding public matters is being circulated. Only through media the information or different happenings in the country can be circulated to the public, and that is guaranteed by the Constitution itself. Which of the following is not a computer language? Is it Pascal, Unix, Fortran, COBOL? Unix, okay, it is not a computer language. Unix is the operating system. Well, Pascal, Fortran, COBOL are all computer languages. What are computer programming languages? A programming language is a vocabulary and set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer or computing device to perform specific tasks. The term programming language usually refers to high-level language such as BASIC, COBOL, Fortran, Ada, Pascal, Python, Java, Ruby, Ruby on Rails, HTML, JavaScript, C language, C++, etc. These are all computer programming languages. Better to know this list because questions could be asked from this. What is the meaning of Unix in computer? Unix, user computer operating system. A powerful multitasking multi-user computer operating system. Unix was developed at At&T Bell Telephone Laboratories during the years 1969 to 1973 by Ken Thompson and Dennis Ritchie for mini computer application. What are operating systems of computers? Operating systems. An operating system is a system software that manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides common services for computer programs. These are mainly four types of OS available in broader classification. Operating systems: Mac OS, Windows, Linux, DOS. Modern operating systems are a graphical user interface or GUI, pronounced GUI. 5 of the most common operating systems are Microsoft Windows, Apple Mac OS, Linux, Android, and Apple's iOS. Another question in 2008, a keyboard has at least 101 keys. It's a structure. Desktop computer keyboards such as the 101 key US traditional keyboards or 104 key Windows keyboards include alphabetic characters, punctuation symbols, numbers, and a variety of function keys. So either of these two. 101 keys in traditional keyboard, modern keyboard, 104 key Windows keyboard. Another question in 2008, an email address is composed of two parts, not three parts, four parts, five parts. An email address consists of two parts. The part before at symbol, that is called a local part. It identifies the name of a mailbox. This is often the username of the recipient. For example, my email ID DOSJesus6, that is the name of the mailbox, then gmail.com. Okay, this is username DOSJesus6 username, and another one mailbox gmail.com. Corel Draw is a popular illustration program. It's not a programming language, text program like that. Corel Draw is a software program for editing vector graphics. That means drawing programs. Corel Draw is a vector graphics editor developed and marketed by Corel Corporation. What are digital illustration programs in computers? There are two main types of tools used for digital illustration: bitmap and vector applications. Bitmap applications are commonly called painting programs such as Adobe Photoshop. Vector applications such as Adobe Illustrator are called drawing programs. That is the difference also. The accounting software Tally was developed by TCS. It's a company. The Tally software handles accounting, inventory management, order management, tax management, payroll, banking, and many such requirements of the business. Tally Solutions, then known as Putronics, was co-founded in 1986 by Shyam Sundar Goenka and his son Bharat Goenka. So the Tally software is mainly for accounting purposes. Another question in 2008, errors in computer programs are called bugs. Of course, the definition. A software bug is an error, flaw, or fault in a computer program or system that causes it to produce an incorrect or unexpected result or to behave in unintended ways. Bugs can trigger errors that may have ripple effects. Bugs may have subtle effects or cause the program to crash or freeze the computer. Nothing will be inside if we allow the bugs to reside in our computer. Another question in 2008, microprocessing is made for computer. What is microprocessor and its uses? The microprocessor contains all the central processing unit CPU functions, and it is the engine that goes into motion when you turn your computer on. A microprocessor is designed to perform arithmetic and logic operations that make use of small number holding areas called registers. Another question in 2008, information, a combination of graphics, text, sound, video, and animation is called multimedia. That's the definition of multimedia. What do you need to put your web pages on the www? A connection to the internet, a web browser, a web server. All of the above should be put, in our web, to function. Which was the first company to launch mobile phone services in India? That is Airtel. What is a block? Blog, it is a personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal. So blog, very personal. Blog is a regularly updated website or web page run by an individual or a small group. Blog is written in an informal or conversational style. That is the purpose of a blog. What is the purpose of a blog? Blog is an abbreviated version of weblog, which is a term used to describe websites that maintain an ongoing chronicle of information. A blog features diary type commentary and links to articles on other websites. Another question in 2009, what is the difference between a blog and a website? Blogs are a type of website, no doubt, it is part of it. The only difference is that blogs have frequently updated content and websites tend to be much more static and is organized into pages. So that is the most important difference between a blog and a website. Which is not online Indian matrimonial website? In 2009 this question has been asked. Of course, Jeevan Shadi is there, Bharat Matrimony you can see in the internet, Shadi you can see, but I don't know whether you can see this singlemuslim.com. Inside Jeevan Shadi, Bharat Matrimony, Shadi, you can have Christian website or a Muslim website or Hindu website, etc. etc. But as such, a separate website for Muslims, does it exist? It doesn't seem to exist. That is the idea. So that D option will not be there as the matrimonial website. Chandrayaan-1 was launched on 22nd October 2008 in India from Sriharikota. It's a factual report. Which of the following is not related to information security on the internet? Is it data encryption, watermarking, data hiding, information retrieval? All the above, data encryption, watermarking, data hiding, all are related to information security on the internet. Whereas information retrieval is nothing connected with the security as such. What is data encryption? Data encryption translates data into another form or code so that only people with access to a secret key or password can read it. Encrypted data is commonly referred to as cybertext, while unencrypted data is called plain text. What are watermarks used for? A watermark is a logo, text or pattern that is intentionally superimposed onto another image. Its purpose is to make it more difficult for the original image to be copied or used without permission. Is a watermark a copyright? Yes, very much. A watermark may use one's company name, personal name or one's logo. The watermark itself is not a copyright and it can serve as a reminder to others not to steal your images. Another question in 2008, a compiler is used to convert the following to object code which can be executed high level language. A compiler used to convert the following high level language to object code which can be executed. The name compiler is used for programs that translate source code from a high level programming language to a lower level language. For an example, assembly language, object code or machine code to create an executable program. So from a high level programming language to a lower level language. For that, compiler is used. Another question, which one of the following is not a linear data structure? Linear means in the straight line. Array, that's in the straight line. Queue, stack, that is also in the straight line. So a linear data structure has data elements arranged in sequential manner and each member element is connected to its previous and next element. In the straight line it goes. Examples of linear data structures are list, queue, stack, array, etc. A single level element is incorporated in the linear data structure. Conversely, non-linear data structure involves multiple levels. Examples of the non-linear data structure are trees, graphs. These come under non-linear data structure. What is a binary tree? Certainly it is not a linear one. It is not linear in the straight line. A binary tree is made of nodes. The topmost node in the tree is called the root. Every node, excluding a root in a tree, is connected by a direct edge from exactly one other node. This node is called a parent. What is the example for a binary tree? It is the ancestry chart of a person to a given birth. The grandfather, grandma, then parents, different brothers and sisters, they become parents, and from the parents some lineage, some other people are born, daughters, sons and daughters. The ancestry goes on and on. So this can be considered as a binary tree. Another important question: which one of the following is not a network device? Router, switch, hub, they are all network devices. Whereas CPU is part and parcel of the computer, in fact it is the heart of the computer. So the central processing unit CPU of a computer is a piece of hardware that carries out the instruction of a computer program. If there is no CPU, the computer is soulless, absolutely no life. It performs the basic arithmetical, logical, input-output operations of a computer system. What are the examples of network devices? Hub, switch, router, bridge, gateway, modem, repeater, access point. These are all examples of network devices. Another important question: which one of the following is an example of operating system? That is Microsoft Windows. It's an example of operating system. What do you mean by Microsoft Windows? Microsoft Windows is an operating system designed and produced by Microsoft Corporation. Another important question: which one of the following is different from other members? Google, Windows, Linux, Mac. Google is an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet related services and products which include online advertising, whereas Windows, Linux, Mac operating systems. Where does a computer add and compare its data? That is in CPU, Central Processing Unit. Another question: in 2009, computers on an internet are identified by IP address. If there is no IP address, we cannot enter into the internet pages. DNS in internet technology stands for Domain Name System. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, not anything else. Another question in 2011: which of the following is a type of LAN? Ethernet, token ring, FDDI? And the answer is all of the above. LANs are classified as below according to the methods used for sharing data. So, what are those methods? Ethernet, token ring, token bus, fiber distributed data interface, that is FDDI. So, all of the above is the right option. Which of the following statements is true? Smart cards smart cards do not require an operating system. Smart cards and PCs are some operating system. COS is Smart Card Operating System. The communication between reader and card is in full duplex mode. What is COS? Card Operating System is a sequence of instructions permanently embedded in the ROM of the smart card. COS manages the internal file system and the interactions between these components and various applications. So card operating system, this is the function. So that way COS is Smart Card Operating System. Which one of the following is not an internet service provider? MTNL, BSNL, Ethernet India, they are all internet service providers, but not Infotech India Limited, that is a company. Then, which of the following operating system is used on mobile phones? Android. We are all having Android cell phones. Android is a mobile operating system based on a modified version of the Linux kernel and other open source software designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Another question in 2011, high level programming language can be converted to machine language using which of the following? This we already discussed this particular aspect. Compiler. A compiler is a special program that processes statements written in a particular programming language and turns them into machine language or code that a computer's processor uses. So the compiler, that is the main function of the compiler. What is Oracle used for? Oracle database is a multi-model database management system produced and marketed by Oracle Corporation. It is a database commonly used for running online transaction processing, data warehousing, and mixed database overloads. That is the function for Oracle. What is MATLAB? MATLAB is a high performance language for technical computing, mathematical computing. It integrates a computation, visualization and programming in an easy to use environment where problems and solutions are expressed in familiar mathematical notations. In 2011, another question, HTML is used to create a web page, not anything else. Machine language program, high level program, web service, it is used for web page. HTML is a scripting language which helps to create a web page. A web page is a document which is suitable for web browsers or World Wide Web. Another question that has been asked in 2011, IPv4 and IPv6 are addresses used to identify computers on the internet. Find the correct statement out of the following. Well, IPv4 or IPv6, there are some differences. In the internet, it is often seen. We can easily see that number of bits required for IPv4 address is less than the number of bits required for IPv6 address. Of course, this is 4, that is 6. Naturally, this should be smaller. That way we can find out. Number of bits required for IPv4 address is 64. Whereas IPv6, it will be different more. What are IPv4 and IPv6? The Internet Protocol version 4, that is called IPv4. The Internet Protocol version 4 is a protocol for use on packet switched link layer networks, example Ethernet. IPv4 Internet Protocol version 4 provides an addressing capability of approximately 4.3 billion addresses. The Internet Protocol version 6 is more advanced and has better features compared to IPv4. TCP or IP is necessary if one is to connect to the internet. So, Internet Protocol. Which of the following is not a programming language? Pascal, Java, C++, they are all programming languages except Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office or simply Office is a family of client software, server software and services developed by Microsoft. The first version of Office contained Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. This question has been asked in 2012. Each character on the keyboard of computer has an ASCII value which stands for what? That's a definition like American Standard Code for Information Interchange. That is ASCII, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Another question in 2012, POP3 and IMAP are email accounts in which one automatically gets one's mail every day. Is it true? One has to be connected to the internet to read or write one's mail. Is it true? Or one has to be connected to the server to send and receive email, or one doesn't need any telephone lines. Well, that goes with the definition of these two concepts, POP3 and IMAP. So one only has to be connected to the server to send and receive email. That is the point here. Sending and receiving email, we use this. Like post office. Internet Explorer is a type of browser, not operating system, compiler or IP address. It's a browser. Internet Explorer is a type of browser. ALU stands for what? Arithmetic Logic Unit. Computer virus is a software. Software maliciously inserted into our computer by some enemies in order to destroy everything in the computer. Another question in 2012. A personal computer uses a number of chips mounted on a circuit board called motherboard. Of course, motherboard has all such structural aspects. A motherboard is the main printed circuit board in a computer. The motherboard is a computer's central communications backbone connectivity point through which all components and external peripherals connect. DAS is a protocol used by email clients to download emails to your computer. That is POP, P-O-P. POP is a protocol used by email clients to download emails to your computer. The file extension of MS Word document in Office 2007 is .docx. That is the right answer, C1, .docx. www stands for World Wide Web. A compiler is a software which converts high-level language to machine language. Often this has been asked in many NET exams. They are asked this particular concept. A hard disk is divided into tracks, which is further subdivided into sectors. So these are technical terms used, in such internet aspects. Virtual memory is an illusion of extremely large main memory. Virtual memory is not an imaginary one. It exists, yes, but it is an illusion of extremely large main memory. What is virtual memory and its use? Virtual memory is a feature of an operating system that enables a computer to compensate shortages of physical memory by transferring pages of data from random access memory to disk storage. The question has been asked in 2013. The Internet Ethical Protocol is called Netiquette. Netiquette is short for Internet Etiquette. Just like etiquette is a code of polite behavior in society, netiquette is a code of good behavior on the internet. While there is no official list of netiquette rules or guidelines, the general idea is to respect others online. That's all. Commercial messages on the net are identified as webmercials. Webmercial is identified as a website commercial. A webmercial is an online video commercial that promotes a service or product. The webmercial includes script, video recording, editing, professional voiceovers, copyright free music, and a DVD copy if requested. Manuel Castelli was the first to use the term network society. It is the name of the person. It is the name of the person. The definition of a network society given by Manuel Castells is that it is a society whose social structure is made up of networks powered by microelectronics based information and communication technologies. GIF stands for Graphics Interchange Format. Which one of the following is not an operating system? IBM X, Linux, Sun Solaris, Firefox. The Mozilla Firefox is a free and open source web browser developed by the Mozilla Foundation. So that is not the operating system. Others are operating systems. IBM AIX is a secure, scalable and robust open standard based Unix operating system. Just like Windows, iOS and Mac OS, Linux is an operating system. This Solaris is a proprietary Unix operating system originally developed by Sun Microsystems. So these are all operating systems except Firefox. Firefox is a free open source web browser. The initial efforts for internet-based communication was for military purposes. Internal communication within an institution is done through LAN, within a college, within a building, within an institution, etc. The first virtual university of India came in Tamil Nadu. Virtual reality provides participatory experience. That is, virtual reality VR implies a complete immersion experience. That means you should become part of the entire facility in the virtual reality structure. So that means a complete immersion of the person is needed there. So that is called a participatory experience. Which one of the following is not an image or graphic file format? That is GUI. A graphical user interface is a type of user interface through which users interact with the electronic devices via visual indicator representations. PNG, BMP, GIF, GIF, they are all graphic file formats. What is a PNG used for? A PNG or portable network graphic is an image type that is commonly used in web design to provide a transparent background or a semi-transparent image. PNGs are often used to design logos. This question has been asked in 2014. When a computer is booting, BIOS is loaded to the memory by ROM, ROM. BIOS, Basic Input Output System, known as the system BIOS, ROM BIOS or PC BIOS, is a firmware used to perform hardware initialization during the booting process, power and startup, and to provide runtime services for operating systems and programs. The first web browser is World Wide Web. Netscape Communication was a computer services company best known for its web browser Navigator. Which one of the following is not the same as the other three? MAC address, hardware address, physical address, IP address. You know, a MAC address, hardware address, physical address, very, it is physical in its nature. Whereas IP address, an internet protocol address, is a numerical label assigned to each device connected to a computer network that uses the internet protocol for communication. So the numerical label is given for internet protocol, number and dots. Identify the IP address from the following. IP address with the dots, that is option C. You could see dots in between the set of letters, numbers. The acronym FTP stands for File Transfer Protocol. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. What does this mean? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS describes how HTML elements ought to be displayed on screen, paper, or in other media. CSS can control the layout of multiple web pages all at once. External style sheets are stored in CSS files. What is the difference between HTML and CSS? CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets with an emphasis placed on style. HTML used to structure a web document defining things like headlines, paragraphs, and allowing us to embed images, video, and other media. CSS, Cascade Styling Sheets, is responsible for the design or style of the website, including the layout, visual effects, and background color. There are three ways we can use to implement CSS: internal, external, and online styles. This question has been asked in 2014. GIF, JPG, PUMP, PMP, PNG are used as extensions for files which store image data. Once we spot out these words, automatically we can say they are all image data. GIF, that is Graphical Interchange Format, is an image format invented in 1987 by Steve Wilhead, a US software writer who was looking for a way to animate images in the smallest file size. GIFs are a series of images or soundless video that will loop continuously and does not require anyone to press play. What is JPG? JPG is a widely used compressed image format for containing digital images. It is the most common image format used in digital cameras, different operating systems, and on the internet. A compression ratio of 10:1 can be applied in JPG images without losing significant details. JPEG is usually known as JPG. It stands for Joint Photographic Expert Group. Which one of the following is not a search engine? Is it Google, Chrome, Yahoo, Bing? Google Chrome browser is an open source program for accessing the World Wide Web and running web based applications. Google released Chrome in 2008 and issues several updates a year. Google, Yahoo, Bing, all these are search engines except Chrome. Is an it is an open source program for accessing the World Wide Web. What does BMP mean? Pump. BMP is short for bitmap. It can be pronounced as pump or simply a bitmap image. The BMP format is a commonly used graphic format for saving image files. It was introduced on the Windows platform but is now recognized by many programs on both Macs and PCs. Another important question in 2014, digital empowerment means what? Universal digital literacy, universal access to all digital resources, collaborative digital platform for participative governance, probability of all entitlements for individuals through cloud. Choose the correct answer from the quotes given below. All the four. Digital empowerment means all these: universal literacy, universal access to all digital resources, collaborative digital platform for participative governance, probability of all entitlements for individuals through cloud. Which of the following is not an output device? Is it keyboard, printer, speaker, monitor? Obviously, keyboard is not the output device. It is part and parcel of the computer. Keyboard. Which of the following is not open source software? Apache, HTTP server, Internet Explorer, Fedora Linux, OpenOffice. Well, what is the use of Internet Explorer? Abbreviated as IE or MSIE, Microsoft Internet Explorer is an internet browser that allows users to view web pages on the internet. Users can also utilize Internet Explorer to listen to and watch streaming content, access online banking, make purchases over the internet, and much more. So, Internet Explorer is not open source software. Other three, yes. What is Apache HTTP server? Apache HTTP server is a free and open source web server that delivers web content through the internet. It is commonly referred to as Apache, and after development it quickly became the most popular HTTP client on the web. What is Fedora Linux? Fedora is the upstream source of the commercial Red Hat Enterprise Linux distribution. NMEICT stands for what? National Mission on Education through ICT. That is the right expansion for this abbreviation, NMEICT. National Mission on Education through ICT. Which of the following is an instant messaging application? WhatsApp, Google Talk, Viber. All three are instant messaging applications. ABC. Which of the following is an open source software? That is Mozilla Firefox. We have already seen that. The statement, the study, design, development, implementation, support or management of computer-based information systems, particularly software applications and computer hardware, refers to what? Information technology. That is the definition of information technology. An unsolicited email message sent to many recipient accounts is a spam. Spam is unsolicited junk mail sent indiscriminately in bulk, often for commercial purposes. Whether we like it or not, somebody will send such emails which have no meaning for us. It's called a spam. The question has been asked in 2016. The process of copying files to a CD-ROM is known as burning. It's a technical term used. Another question, which of the following statements regarding the features of information and communication technology are true? ICT are the main instruments for the creation of computer networks and the applications based on them. ICT support the spread of information and knowledge, separating the content from the place where it belongs physically. Third one, the digital and virtual nature of most of ICT products allow the expenditure for them to be maximized. Well, third seems to be odd. It talks about expenditure and other things, whereas the other two, give the meaning of ICT or give the expansion or the true explanation of ICT. Other two. So naturally, 1 and 2, that's the correct option. ICT are the main instrument for the creation of computer networks and the application based on them. ICT supports the spread of information and knowledge, separating the content from the place where it belongs physically. The software used to navigate through the web is known as web browser, not website, internet, world wide web. The software used to navigate through the web is known as web browser. With regard to email, what does BCC colon mean? That is nothing but the fourth one. The users specified in the BCC field will get the email, yes, but will not see the addresses in the to and CC fields. There is a to column to whom we are sending the mail, CC, and another copy to those individuals. So, if you put PCC, then the users will get the email, yes, but they won't see the addresses. You could have given so many addresses, but the recipient will not get those addresses. The addresses will be known to you only. With regard to email, what does BCC mean? BCC means for blind carbon copy. Just like CC, BCC is a way of sending copies of an email to other people. It is called a blind carbon copy because the other recipients will not be able to see that someone else has been sent a copy of the email. In computer networking, HTTP is referred to as a stateless protocol as servers do not maintain any information about past client requests. HTTP is an acronym for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It's a definition only. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Random access memory, RAM, a form of computer storage, is a volatile memory. What do you mean by volatile memory? Volatile memory is a type of storage whose contents are erased when the system's power is turned off or interrupted. For example, RAM is volatile. Why? When you are working on a document, it is kept in RAM, and if the computer loses power, your work will be lost. Another question is, in 2017, which of the following is a characteristic of Web 2.0 applications? It is not 9.0, it is 0 only. Something wrong there. Multiple users schedule their time to use Web 2.0 applications one by one. Web 2.0 applications are focused on the ability for people to collaborate and share information online. Web 2.0 application provide users with content rather than facilitating users to create it. Of course, different statements have been given. Which is the right one? The second one. Web 2.0 applications are focused on the ability for people to collaborate and share information online. Here the collaboration and sharing, that's very important. Sharing of information online. Another question, with regard to your word processing software, the process of combining static information in a publication together with variable information in a data source to create one merged publication is called mail merge. It is the definition of mail merge. The meaning has been given in different words, but ultimately it is called mail merge. So mail merge is a handy feature that incorporates data from both Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel and allows us to create multiple documents at once, such as letters, saving us the time and effort for retyping the same letter over and over. Dear friends, another question from 2017. DVD technology uses an optical media to store the digital data. DVD is an acronym for Digital Versatile Disc. A DVD is a type of optical media used for storing digital data. It is the same size as a CD but has a larger storage capacity. Another important question. Read the following two statements. Information and communication technology is considered a subset of information technology. The right to use a piece of software is termed as copyright. Which of the above statements is correct? Is it both 1 and 2, or neither 1 or 2, or 1 only or 2 only? That is the one of the best options we have to choose. Now I have marked 1. Why? Information and communication technology is considered as a subset of information technology, IT, no doubt about it. But then the right to use a piece of software is termed as copyright. In no way it is connected with the definition. It is, it stands apart. It's an isolated idea, like. That's why we don't put it together. So the option D is correct. Only the first will be the right, not the second one. Now, another question in 2017. Which of the following correctly list computer memory types from highest to lowest speed? CPU registers, cache memory, main memory, then secondary storage. It goes like this. I have just given it. CPU registers greater than cache. Cache is greater than RAM. RAM is greater than secondary memory. So the option C. How do you explain this one? Cache memory is extremely fast compared to main memory RAM. Okay. CPU registers are a part of the control unit and ALU rather than the memory. Hence, their contents can be handled much faster than any content of memory. So it goes like that. So CPU registers greater than cache, greater than RAM. RAM is greater than secondary memory. So the option C is correct. Another question asked in 2018. Which of the following statements regarding the term ICT is or true? A digital divide is an economic and social equality with regard to access to, use of, or impact of ICT. Another Q, ICT helps in international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technology. So the first one, No way it is the definition of or the meaning of digital divide. The second one, yes, it is correct. ICT helps in international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technology. It bridges the gap, ICT. There is a gap, digital divide. People who know about computers, people do not know about computers. ICT helps uh, in the bridge. I mean, in connecting both the groups, those who know computers, those who do not know computer. So that way, Q only is the right answer. What is digital divide? Digital divide is a term that refers to the gap between regions that have access to modern information and communication technology and those that do not have or have restricted access. So this technology can include the telephone, television, personal computers, and the internet. Another question, 2018. A confidential file needs to be deleted from a workstation. Which is the most effective way to ensure this? Rename the file, compress the file and backup to tape, copy and paste the file into the recycle bin and empty the recycle bin, drag the file into the recycle bin and empty the recycle bin. That is the usual technical word we are using with regard to deletion of anything. Drag the file into the recycle bin and empty the recycle bin. So usual terms we are having in the computer functioning. Another question, which of the following statements is or true with regard to websites? Your blog is a website that consists of posts in reverse chronological order. Another statement, your wiki is a website that is designed to allow people to collaborate easily. Both B and Q is the right option. Your blog is a website that consists of posts in reverse chronological order. That means, suppose yesterday you have recorded something, you have downloaded something or you typed out something. Today you are typing out something. So what you are typing out today will come first. So that way it goes, reverse chronological order. The latest will come, in the first place. Next question, in 2018, a virus type that is capable of shifting from one computer to another without user interaction is known as worm. The virus type that is capable of shifting from one computer to another without user interaction is known as a worm. Somebody puts the worm in your computer and without knowing it, you are passing some message to another computer. This worm also gets transferred to that computer. See, it goes on and on like that. What is a computer worm? A computer worm is a type of malware that spreads copies of itself from computer to computer. A worm can replicate itself without any human interaction and it does not need to attach itself to a software program in order to cause damage. Automatically it gets replicated. It becomes a double, triple, etc. What is Trojan? Trojan horse or a Trojan is a type of malicious code or software that looks legitimate but can take control of our computer. It looks fine, but then our computer will be controlled entirely by such Trojan. What is logic bomb? Another virus type. It is a set of instructions secretly put into a program so that if a particular condition is satisfied, they will be carried out usually with harmful effects. So that is called a logic bomb. What is boot sector virus? A boot sector virus is a type of virus that infects the boot sector of floppy disk or the master boot record of hard disk. Now we are not using it often because our system has become very much updated and modern. Dash denotes an error in a computer program. That is bug. Bug denotes an error in a computer program. The convenient place to store contact information for quick retrieval in email is address book, not anything else. We normally say technically is address book. The webmail address book is a convenient tool for storing the email addresses and other contact information of people we frequently email. The address book screen displays the name, email address, and phone number of each contact that we have added to our address book. What is the name of a web page address? URL. URL is the name of a web page address. So thank you very much for going through all the slides. I hope you would be benefiting a lot out of these slides. Welcome to other videos also. If you like this video, you are most welcome to subscribe for my videos. You will be getting all my videos one by one into your box. Thank you very much. May God bless you abundantly. Thank you.